Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is CEO Tom, and today I've decided to take my content to another level. So I'm going to be unboxing the Gopro Hero 12, and I also have a mem card called the Extreme Pro. So let's get to see what we get from this package here. This is the Gopro 12. So let's go. So it's very easy to unbox it. So I'm doing this for you, give you the best content ever. So it does not come with the carrying case, so it looks like this. First of all, you get the manual. You can see. So your camera must be updated before you can use it. It also comes with something you can scan called the quick access. Subscribe to Gopro for the best experience. Some manual, some stickers. Where do people put these stickers? Right here. So this is the charger, the cable. One side type C, the other side type type A. It's quite small. It also comes with some recorders. Okay. And the battery. Here's the battery. Okay. Right. And of course, the camera itself. It's quite heavy. So nice. So nice. So nice. It's worth the purchase. It's worth the purchase. It also has an extra camera. Quite nice. It's quite small, nice, and take care. You can take photos. You can take also videos. It's quite thick. Right, let me now insert the battery with the mem card. Okay, so to open, it's waterproof. So to open it, you have to push it down, then you lift it. So I'm going to put the battery in the battery. Insert it like this. You want to remove the battery, you want it like that. So you insert it like that. The Extreme Pro memory card. Oh, sorry. So it's a 256 GB memory card. this in. So now I can lock it. Dish it. That's 20%, 10% connected to power. It's worth it. It's really worth it. So guys, let me set it the right settings with the quick access. It's called quick access. Quick access app. You download it from Play Store, then you have to update it. Now you can now use it. So guys, stay tuned for an amazing content coming from Tom. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get to enjoy some action.